Hello there. Welcome to this series which will teach you everything you need to know about Forex brokers. I will cover the basics of Forex brokers, spreads, leverage, how to choose a broker, regulation, trading platforms, absolutely everything will be covered. At any point, if you have any questions, please use the comment section below and I will get back to you. This is your ultimate guide to Forex brokers. It's perfect for those who are new to trading, those who have just opened an account with a broker or are looking to open an account with a broker. A bit about me before we get started. My name is Samuel Morton. I've been trading since 2011 and it changed my life. Forex trading not just changed my career, but changed my life completely. So before I was a trader, I was an accountant, I commuted. Since becoming a trader, I earn a lot more than I used to, and I have a lot more flexibility, a much better lifestyle than I used to. As an example, this morning I went to the gym with my wife. I have 4 children, I can go and pick them up from school. I was in the garden this morning, helping my wife put something up in the garden. I couldn't do those things when I was commuting an hour a day. Well, it was 2 hours an hour there, an hour back some days. And my lifestyle was greatly impacted by that job. So it completely changed things for me and I'm forever grateful for that. I mainly trade Forex. I do invest in stocks and shares. Sometimes I do trade indices and commodities. But 99% of my trades are currencies. Are FX, Forex. I love it. And I highly recommend it. I used to be a technical analyst. So while trading and being an independent trader, I was also a technical analyst for a Forex broker based in Asia. I did that for a few years and then I got promoted to the head technical analyst for that broker. I was there for 5 years and then the job came to an end, but I loved it. If you don't know what a technical analyst is, I would look at price charts, I would look at patterns, highs, lows of price to predict where future price could be. That's what a technical analyst does. So I do have an insight into Forex brokers that many people don't have. I worked for one for 5 years. I've also been trading with brokers since 2011, so I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm talking about. I'm based here in the UK. I tell people I live near London, but really I'm about 2.5 hours drive out of London, an hour and a half by train. I am the owner of Actual Forex Trading, which is this YouTube channel. There is a website. It has loads of free content, just like this. No registration required, no cost involved. You can learn everything you need to know about Forex on their website. Go check it out. I've been featured across the web. I've been interviewed many times. I've appeared on IGTV. And I know what I'm talking about. Okay, so I've been trading for almost 15 years now and I do very well. Okay, that's enough about me. Let's jump right in. So, Forex brokers, I will teach you everything you need to know. This is part 1 of a 4-part series. Part 1 will teach you the what, why and how of Forex brokers, so the real basics of Forex brokers, what they are, why you need one, how to use a broker. The second video will cover the costs involved in using a Forex broker. Really important video, that one, but they're all really essential, really. Part 3, using a broker, so accessing a trading platform, things to look out for, how to actually get trading with a broker. And then part 4, which is like a bonus video, that will cover regulation and Forex broker scams. Another really essential video that you need to watch. Please watch everything. And at any point, any questions, use the comment section below. I'm here to help. I can normally get back to people within a day or so. So let's get started. What is a Forex broker? So a Forex broker provides you and me access to the Forex market. Without a broker, we can't trade Forex. It's as simple as that. So a Forex broker offers the currencies to buy and sell, and it does that through currency pairs. If you know the basics of Forex, you'll understand what currency pairs are. If you don't understand currency pairs, I suggest you learn the basics, and there is a Forex basics course on this YouTube channel. I suggest you watch that and come back and watch this series. So the Forex broker offers the currencies to buy and sell, and they do that through an online trading platform. And generally that online trading platform is accessed in a few ways. Number one is they may have like a web-based platform. So you'll go to their website, log in, you'll then enter the platform, and you can buy and sell currencies. You'll see prices and charts and the currency pairs available. You would buy and sell on that web-based platform, and they generally work very well. Your second option to accessing the trading platform is downloading software, having like a desktop-based package. I use them too. Once again, they work very well. So you can just click on the icon on your desktop, you'll enter the platform, and you can once again see prices and currency pairs and buy and sell. Your third option is an app to your smartphone or a tablet. Once again, I use this too. So I use all three options, and generally your trading account can be connected to all three. So through a desktop software, through a web-based platform, and through my phone, I can access my trading account and see prices and buy and sell. It all works very well. It's a lot better than it used to be. It's come a long way as online trading over the last 20 years or so. So that is what a Forex broker is. You need a Forex broker. You cannot trade Forex without one. Okay, so why do you need a Forex broker? Well, I've just kind of answered that. You can't trade without one. But let's look at this from a different angle. If I want to trade my pounds, say, to euros, because I'm going on holiday, I would usually go to like a foreign exchange booth. Sometimes they're in like shopping malls here or supermarkets. And you'd go and I'd say, here's £1,500. I want the euro equivalent. And they would give me the euro equivalent in cash. And I'm sure you're familiar with that in the US, Europe, wherever you are. Now, the issue of using one of those booths to trade, let's say I wanted to invest in Australian dollars. So I went to one of those booths and changed my pounds to Australian dollars. There's a real lack of convenience doing that. So with an online trading platform, from the comfort of my own home, I can log in, I can click a button, and suddenly I've bought Australian dollars. If I was using one of those booths, foreign exchange booths, I would have to drive there, get out my car, go to the counter, sort it out, maybe be in a queue, drive home again. So there's a real lack of convenience. Forex brokers make foreign exchange very convenient. This is one of the reasons why you need a broker, apart from being able to access the market, is it makes trading very convenient. The second on the list here is high fees. Now here in the UK, a lot of these booths, foreign exchange booths, will say no commission. And in a way it's false advertising, because they aren't charging a commission, like a percentage-based commission on your exchange, but what they are doing is giving you a bad exchange rate. So if it is $1.50 to the pound on the actual foreign exchange market, they might be giving me $1.35 to the pound, $1.40 to the pound. So not the actual rate, and that's how they make their money, is the difference between what they're offering me and the actual exchange rate. And that's called a spread. And we'll come back to that at a later time. Now, Forex brokers, the fees are generally very small. There are costs involved, obviously, in trading with a broker, but they're very small. Whereas these booths, the exchange rates are really bad, so the cost is very high. Another point here is physical cash. I can usually deposit instantly with a broker and trade instantly. There's no physical cash. There's no risk of me losing the money. If I exchange physically, I'm going to have my 2,000 euros for my holiday in my wallet. Obviously, there is a risk involved in doing that. There's a lack of opportunity with a foreign exchange booth. And this is another reason why we need a Forex broker. And that is, if I go to the booth, I only have the currencies they're offering, and I can only change my pounds to those currencies. Whereas with a Forex broker, even though my account might be in pounds, I can actually trade US dollar against Canadian dollar, or Australian dollar against the yen, or Turkish lira against Japanese yen, or Australian dollar against New Zealand dollar. Even though my account balance is pounds, I can trade any currency pair I want. There's a wide range of trading opportunities. You don't get that anywhere else. And then the last point I have on here is leverage. So with leverage, and I'll talk more about leverage later on, but with leverage, it enables me to trade with more money than I have to potentially get a much bigger return. On the downside, the risks are bigger, but the return is bigger. You don't have that going to a booth. So I've come this way I've gone a funny way perhaps to explain why you need a Forex broker. I really wanted to highlight the advantages of using a broker, but the reality is you have no choice. If you want to trade, you have to use a broker. So how do you actually go about trading with a Forex broker? First of all, you need some sort of an account with that broker or with a broker. And these accounts come in two formats. Demo trading, which is like a paper trading account. You can open them for free. There's no costs involved. There's generally no expiry to these accounts. It's a really great way to get familiar with trading platforms and just get some trading experience. Is open a demo account. I really suggest you do that. And I can go to my website in a minute and show you how to open a demo account. But you open a demo account. If you don't have a demo account, you'll need a live account. And a live account is an actual funded account. I don't suggest you do that until you have some demo trading experience. Once you have a live account, you need to fund that account with some cash. Okay? And most brokers don't have a minimum. So you could do £100, €100, $100 if that's all you've got. If you have a demo account, there's no need to fund the account. It's just paper money. And there's generally like £10,000 or $10,000, 10,000 euros in that account as like virtual funds that you can trade with. Once the account is funded, you'll need access to the broker's platform. Once again, it'll be like a web-based platform, a desktop-based platform, or like a mobile app on your phone or tablet. Generally, Forex brokers offer all three, or at least two options, so you can choose which works best for you. And then once you've placed some trades using the trading platform, you can withdraw funds from your account. So you can withdraw your profits, or if you've had some bad trades and are in a loss and just want to withdraw funds, you can do that. So that is the basics of getting started with a Forex broker. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this over. Okay, so this is my website, actualforextrading.com. If you click on free stuff, start here. Okay, there's 3 steps to learning the basics, followed by 3 more steps. So 6 steps in total. If you want to work through this, it's all free. You can learn the basics of Forex and also technical analysis. Step 3 here is free broker. So this is where you can open a free demo account, a paper trading account. Just click on this and then you can read through this and click on the relevant links and open a demo account with a Forex broker. Now, I get no commission whatsoever for you opening a demo account with a Forex broker. There's no financial incentive for me directing you to this page. I'm just trying to be helpful. So I don't get paid anything for you clicking on these links and opening a demo account, a virtual account. Go ahead and do it, or just Google, free demo account, Forex broker, something like that, and it will come up. Okay, so this is part one. This has been the real basics of Forex brokers. Part two, if we go back, we'll start looking at the costs involved in trading with a Forex broker. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you in part two.